Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is YUSRA AISYAH binti MUHAMAD YUSOFF from class AC1101D. I'm a student in Faculty of Accountancy from UED102 Pahang. In this video, I want to share with you my experience of joining online study skill course in my university. Basically, this course exposes the study skill that we need and provide some learning strategies for students. It is important for us to know our learning style inventory to improve our study skills so that we can study more effectively. There are three types of learner: kinesthetic learner, auditory learner, and visual learner. For me, after I done my learning style inventory, I finally know that I'm a kinesthetic learner. A kinesthetic learner is a person who moves a lot while studying. We can study by using video curation rather than read the book itself. And also, we are a creative person, so we can use the similar material to understand the topic that a bit difficult for us. I also learned that we need to have a vision and we must set a goal in our study. There are 5 characteristics that we need to set in our goal. First, it must be specific, relevant, attainable, measurable, and time-bound. I also learned how to manage my time properly using planners and schedule. Because in university, we need to do everything with our own self, and there are so many challenges and distractions that we need to face. So, time management is very important. For example, I will use daily manners, weekly schedule, and semester calendar. I also got a tip of taking note. The best way of taking note is using mind map. We can write the mind map with the easiest and simplest way for us to understand it. And we can also use our own language and our own style to understand it better. Notes is very important, especially if we want to review it before taking exam to save our time. First, I have a poor English proficiency because in high school we always study everything in Malay, but in university we need to study everything in English. So it's hard for me to understand all the words written, and it takes me a lot of time to really understand it. Second, I have a really poor time management because during this COVID-19, I need to study at home, so it's hard for me to manage my time wisely. Moreover, I have a lot of tasks and assignments to do. My biggest problem is I always tend to sleep a lot. Third, I have a hard time to concentrate during class because I tend to get sleepy and get tired easily. To avoid that, I will take a break for a minute and drink some water and do some exercise like stretching my neck to energize me more and avoid me from being sleepy. Fourth, it's quite hard for me to memorize the information that I had learned during class. I easily forget the thing that I had learned. It happened to me frequently. To overcome that problem, I will take a simple and effective note for each subject. Also, when I refer to learning pyramids, I realize that the percentage of how much I can memorize the facts is highest when I teach others. Lastly, I got a lot of tips when I joined the study skill course. It's really useful. I do believe when I use this tip correctly, I can manage my time properly and I can improve my study skill so that I can finish my assignment on time. That's all for today. Thank you for watching my video and I hope you got a lot of benefit from it, and have a nice day. Bye bye.